Hello students, I am Dr. Neha Patni and I am going to teach you the subject Chemical Analytical Techniques. Now as the name suggests, this subject is offered by Chemical Engineering Department and this is your 5th semester and you have selected this subject as an open elective. You may see the course code 2CHOE01. OE here stands for open elective and that means you does not belong to Chemical Engineering Department while you have selected this subject, and that is how the subject is very important. This subject finds relevance into your branch of engineering. You may be a mechanical engineer or electrical engineer or civil engineer, but this subject would be of utmost importance to you while pursuing your degree or while doing research or while pursuing your career in this branch of engineering. So we would be taking your lectures and will be posting the videos regarding what are we going to cover in the coming lectures. So let us start with what I am going to cover in my first lecture. So let us see. This would be the third lecture for this subject, but mine it would be the first one because 2 lectures are already taken by another faculty. So I'll be meeting you after 2 lectures every time. I'll take only 1 lecture. So your third lecture, I'll be covering the introduction part of the topic which I'm going to take. Along with that, we are going to see first of all what is the importance of this subject and obviously the importance of the topic, and that has to be followed by application, because until and unless you are able to understand the importance and application of the subject, you will not find it interesting. So the first lecture I'll focus basically on explaining the importance of the subject to you, and obviously where are you going to find it or apply it in your day-to-day life. Then first lecture here, so I'm going to cover the course policy, like how are we going to conduct the course policy will discuss the A to Z of a particular course. Lesson planning is going to be covering the lesson which you are going to learn after every session. So if we are going to have 45 lectures for a particular subject, so lesson planning would cover which topic will be there at the very first lecture, lecture 2, lecture 3, lecture 4, and like that. So we are going to give you the glimpse of entire 45 sessions in that lesson planning. And then since you know that we are going to conduct online lectures using WebEx, and LMS is the Moodle system which we have purchased for the assessment thing, so we are going to discuss this also. So I am just going to display you some of the features which are required for you to understand as a student. So how I am going to deliver the lectures using WebEx and what are the features you are going to use, and secondly all of the assessments will be done using LMS. So in that system I'll show you that how are you to submit your assignments and quizzes, and how are you going to get formally graded and assessed. So everything related to the subject will be posted on the course site on LMS, and that I'll show in the first lecture. So I hope I am clear about what I'm going to cover in the very first lecture, because this is just to give you a glimpse of the entire semester and the entire subject to you. So I am hoping that it would be very interesting for you to attend that. Thank you.